Alex is learning dictionaries in Python. He stores some information and tries to access it. Everything looks correct. He clicks run. But Python stops and shows an error. This error is called key error, and it means Python cannot find the key you requested inside a dictionary. Think of a dictionary like a locker system. Each locker has a label. If Alex asks for a locker number 10, but only lockers 1 and 2 exist, nobody can open locker 10. Python feels the same way. In this example, the dictionary contains only two keys. The keys are name and age. There is no key called city. But Alex tries to access city. Python searches the dictionary, cannot find the key. So raises a key error. One solution is to use an existing key. Now Python finds the key successfully. An even safer approach is using the get method. Instead of raising an error, get simply returns none when the key does not exist. You can also provide a default value. This makes programs safer and easier to maintain. Whenever you see key error, check these things. Does the key actually exist? Is the spelling correct? Are uppercase and lowercase letters being used consistently? Alex checks the available keys, uses the correct one, and the program works perfectly. Problem solved.